Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how to trade gold in Vantage. So all you do is go onto your account. You can either use your live account or your demo account. It is the exact same way for both of these accounts. The only difference is one's with real money and one is with fake money for practice. So press trade on one of these accounts. And then what you want to do is go up to here, and Vantage already favorites XAUUSD, so that is gold against the dollar. But if you wanted to trade another gold market, press in the ticker for gold, and then you will see all of the available markets that are trading gold. So press on the one that you want. As you can see up here, the symbol of what we want is here. So here we can change the interval, select the interval that you want. And then here we have the ticker in which we can buy or sell. So go ahead and pick which one that you would like. Fill out market price. So that means that your order will be placed at the current level or the closest possible position that it can be put. So go ahead and select how big of a trade that you want to do. Here we can select take profit and stop loss. So this will be in the dollar value. So go ahead and do all this. And when you are ready, you can press buy. Press don't show again if you just want to press buy, and it will be instantly submitted onto the market. Then press confirm, and then as you can see, my trade has been placed on the market here. So that is how you do that, guys. I hope this video helped. Speak to you soon.